Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of receipts, invoices and tax forms, overwhelmed by the daunting task of bookkeeping that seems to grow every minute? It's time to toss that life ring and dive into a solution that will revolutionize your business finances. The answer? Accounting Hunter. Picture this, an all-encompassing platform designed to tackle your bookkeeping blues head-on. Accounting Hunter is not merely an application, it's a revelation. A game changer in the world of finance and bookkeeping. It's like having a dedicated financial wizard at your beck and call, ready to streamline your accounts, balance your books, and ensure your tax deadlines are met with precision and ease. No more late-night number crunching, no more mind-boggling tax laws. With Accounting Hunter, you have a team of experts who live and breathe bookkeeping, so you don't have to. They're always up to date with the latest financial regulations, always ready to apply their knowledge to your specific business needs, ensuring your finances are in tip-top shape. Imagine the freedom, the relief of knowing that your books are in good hands, that your tax deadlines will be met without a hitch, that you can focus on what you do best, running your business. That's the power of Accounting Hunter. So if you're tired of being overwhelmed by your bookkeeping tasks, if you're ready to exchange your financial stress for financial success, it's time to turn to Accounting Hunter. It's time to take control of your business finances, to embrace the future of bookkeeping. In summary, the problem is clear. Bookkeeping can be a daunting task, especially for small business owners. But the solution is just as clear. Accounting Hunter. With their expertise and dedication, you can say goodbye to financial stress and hello to business success, so why wait? Dive into the world of streamlined bookkeeping